Item number 16. So sa item number 16, basta if A is an odd integer, then x squared plus x is equal to A has no integer solution for x. So, bago natin i-prove yan. So, meron tayong concept ng odd integer. So, syempre, kaya natin alam yung definition. So, sabi sa definition 1.3.1, an even number is an integer that can be expressed as 2k, where k is an integer. An odd number is an integer that can be expressed as 2k plus 1, where k is an integer. So, sample, 7. So, 7 is odd. Bakit? Kasi kaya ko siya isulat as 2 times 3 plus 1. So, get? Kasi yung 2, so ito yung 2. So, yung 2 dito, yung 2 dyan, ito yung 2 na yan. Yung k, yung 3. Tapos yung plus 1, ito yung plus 1. So, another example is 15. 15 is 2 times 7 plus 1. So, yan yung mga odd. So, kung even naman, so ay 10. 10 is equal to 2 times 5. So, walang plus 1. So, yan. So, ganyan yung sinasabi niya, definition. So, ngayon, so proof tayo. And actually, di ko, iniisip ko kanina kung ano yung direct proof nito. So, wala akong maisip. So, sabi ko, mag-indirect na lang ako. So, gagawin ko is, mag-ano ako, prove my contraposition. So, di ba, remember, it's P implies Q is equivalent. Wait, ano ba ano na equivalent? Wait, no, not equals. Hindi siya equals. Uh, sulat ko na lang. So, P implies Q is equivalent to not Q implies not P. So, ayan. So, yun yung pagkita natin through by contraposition. So, assumption ko, magbabago. So, imbes na ito yung assumption, ang i-assume ko is yung negation na to. Yung negation na conclusion. Kasi ang proof natin is proof by contraposition. So, ang gagawin ko is, ito yung goal natin. Show not Q implies not P. So, yun yung goal. So, ang i-assume ko is yung negation na to. So, x squared plus x has an integer solution. So, yun yung assumption. Tapos, ang want to show is A is even. Kasi, nilagate ko to. Okay, okay. Actually, ang proper negation nito, A is not odd. So A is not, so it's even. So for more formal negation. Okay, okay. So start tayo sa 2. So let n be an integer solution for x. Kasi nga, di ba, ang assumption is x squared plus x equal to a at integer solution. So sabi natin n yung integer solution na yun. Then n squared plus n is equal to m times n plus 1 is equal to a. So ginamit ko lang yung assumption dito. So, yung n squared plus n, factorable kasi to. Pag pinactor at yung n, magiging ganyan siya. Tapos itong n times n plus 1 is equal to a. Tapos, meron tayong mini claim. Kasi most of the time, sa proofing, meron kang proof, tapos sa loob ng proof, may proof ka pa. And actually, normal yon. So, pag encounter nyo ng mga next chapters or higher math courses, normal siya. So claim natin is so n times n plus 1 is even or a is even. So, yun mo siya rin pakita. Okay. So, may dalawang cases tayo. So, dito na papasok si proof by cases. So, yung n ko kasi as an integer. So, yung n, meron siyang possible two cases. N is even and n is odd. So, kung n is odd, case 1, n is odd. So, kaya ko siya isulat as 2k plus 1. So, ito yung n. So, itong n, ito yon yung 2k plus 1. Tapos, itong 2k plus 1 plus 1, ito yon n plus 1. N plus 1, ito yon yung 2k plus 1 plus 1. So, tapos simplify, combine like terms. Tapos, arithmetic, foil method, ito, foil method. Tapos factor out 2. Kung factor out yung 2, maging ganito siya. Then, by closure, ito, paulit-ulit tayo sa closure, kaya ko siya isulat as 2q kasi itong nasa loob na to is an integer. Okay. So, kaya ko siya isulat at also an integer. Yung q kasi dyan is an integer. Okay, okay. So, next case, case 2, n is even. So, what if n is even? So, yung n, kaya ko siya isulat as 2k. So, ito yun. Yung n na to, 2k. Tapos yung n plus 1, ito yung 2k plus 1. So, tapos distribute. So, ano to, multiplication, multiply. Magiging ganito siya. Tapos factor out 2, factor out yung 2, and magiging ganito siya. Tapos, by closure ulit, closure property, this is an integer. So, kaya ko siya isulat as 2 times q. Yung q dyan is an integer. Okay, tapos yung 2 is an integer. So, anong sinasabi na to? So, in both cases, case 1, meron kang 2q. Case 2, meron ka ding 2q. Ibig sabihin, sa lahat ng cases, so in all cases, n times n plus 1 is equal to a is even. So, ibig sabihin, sa lahat ng case, yung n times n plus 1 is even. So, which is what we want to show. Ibig sabihin, by contraposition, so by contraposition, if A is an odd integer, then x squared plus L is equal to A has no integer solution for x. So, kasi nga, di ba? Pag na-prove mo yung not Q implies not P, mapuprove mo na rin yung P implies Q. So, itong proof na to, pinrove natin yung not Q implies not P. So, this is not Q implies not P. Kung napakita natin na not Q is, ang magiging conclusion niya is not P. Ito, not P. So, tapos, by contraposition, na-prove natin yung P implies P. And yan, dyan nagtatapos ang ating proof.